my name is Dr. Robin Abramczyk, and I'm a holistic biological dentist in Heath, Texas. The name of my practice is Smile Ranch Dentistry, and I am here today at Rockwall Colonics with the owner, Dominique Robinson, and I would like for her to share with you a little bit about what they do here at Rockwall Colonics. This is part 2 in a series on gut health. Dominique, would you please share with us how you start a patient who has gut dysbiosis, who comes to you and is having issues? What are some of the common things that you help them with?
Well, one of the first things that we help them with is first we take a look at what their diet is like, number one. Number two, we just make suggestions and we make sure that they're a candidate for colonics. So if they're not ready to do a full colonic yet, then what we recommend is probably doing enemas at home to get their bodies prepped. May put them on some probiotics, may have them use castor oil just to kind of break it down. So first we really just kind of have to talk to them to look at their health history, and most people that come to us are coming to us from other doctors anyway, so which is really wonderful. And so, you know, once we're ready, then we go ahead and we proceed with doing colonics, and we just sort of explain that to them and how the body works and how colonics work, and that it just really helps to release the waste from the gut, which then helps them to just feel a lot better and help their treatment to healing to occur much faster. Let's just put it that way.
So if a patient, you feel a patient is ready, there's no contraindications, and they're ready for colonics, what can they expect as far as their first appointment? How long will they be here? And then how frequent do you recommend that they return?
Okay, it normally takes about an hour if it's your first time. I would say probably about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes, because by the time you undress and you redress, and so they'll come in and they'll lay down on a massage table, which is really comfortable. They'll undress from the waist down, put a gown on with an opening in the back, and the therapist is the one that will insert the speculum and massage their abdomen. If it requires us using oil, then we'll certainly do that. So it takes about an hour and 10 minutes. It's really a very, I mean, I hate to say this, but a lot of our clients just feel so much better afterwards, that it really is a very healing experience and cathartic, because so much of your immune system is in your gut, and a lot of time we'll find that people will just break down and start releasing. Once they just allow themselves to open up, then the body will just easily release that waste. As far as how often someone should do it, it's really difficult to say at first. We have to get them on the table and see what's going on with them. And then after taking a look at their diet and other things that they do, then we would make recommendations. For those that haven't done it before, we sometimes recommend that they do 2 to 3 close together. But please keep in mind that federal law requires a prescription to do colonics here in the state of Texas. Yeah. So
what other services do you offer here?
Well, we do colonics, we do raw food classes, we do thermography, we do chiropractic. We have a ozone sauna, a far infrared sauna. We do body wraps. I mean, we're a holistic spa, you know, but it's more on the holistic basis. We do juices here. And I do a DICOM, which is a bioscan, and we do the Rife machine, we do the foot baths. Anything that has to do with detoxification of the body is what we do.
That's wonderful. I love your journey. I love your approach. It's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you. And thank you for joining us today.